Good morning this Monday, the 15th of September. I'm Grady Wolf, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed mixed on Friday as investors remain optimistic of a rate cut out of the Fed this week after core US inflation remains steady at 3.1% for August. The Nasdaq had a perfect week, notching another record close on Friday by ending the day up 0.44%, while the S&P 500 hovered almost flat for the day before settling up just 0.05%, and the Dow Jones ended the day down 0.6%. The S&P 500 gained 1.6% for the week though, marking its strongest weekly gain since August and its fifth advance in the past 6 weeks. The Nasdaq notched a second straight week of gains with a 2% rise, while the Dow climbed 1% for the week, breaking a 2-week losing streak. In Europe on Friday, markets closed mostly flat as fresh economic data out of the UK showed economic growth stalled in July. The Stoxx 600 closed the day flat. Germany's DAX lost just 0.02%. The French CAC added just 0.02%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down 0.15%. Across the Asia region on Friday, markets closed mostly higher, tracking Wall Street gains on Thursday. Japan's Nikkei added 0.9%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng climbed 1.14%, China's CSI index fell 0.6%, and India's Nifty 50 ended the day up 0.43%. Alibaba shares soared over 7% on Friday in the Asia region after the company initiated moves to secure its place in China's AI boom. Locally, to end the last trading week, the ASX 200 posted a 0.68% rise on Friday as a materials-led rally boosted the key index to a strong finish on Friday. Gold stocks were a key standout over the last trading weeks as the price of the precious commodity soared to fresh record highs throughout the week, especially last week, topping $3,674 an ounce. Regis Resources soared 6.4% on Friday, while Ramelius Resources added 2.8%, and Bellevue Gold ended the day up over 7%. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients on Friday were led by healthcare companies in 4DX or 4D Medical, CSL and Pro Medicus. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.43% higher at $62.56 a barrel. Gold is up 0.3% at $3,642 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.24% at $105.43 a tonne. The Australian dollar has weakened against the greenback to buy 66.52 US cents, 98.19 Japanese yen, 48.96 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 12 cents. Ahead of Monday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the new trading week down 0.67% despite the record high on the Nasdaq on Friday. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Select Harvest from $5.30 to $5.45 and maintain a buy rating on the almond producer following a rebound in almond pricing, with a rally of prices up around 26% from the bottom to now sit around $3.11 per pound. And Bell Potter has also increased the 12-month price target on Jumbo Interactive from $11.20 to $11.50 and maintain a hold rating on the e-commerce digital lotteries business, following the company announcing it has entered into a long-term software license agreement with RSL Queensland to power RSL Queensland's flagship Dream Home Art Union lottery program. And that's all for this morning and this Monday. Have a wonderful day, a great week, and happy investing.